I'm making the cake.
Reagan, what are we making this morning?
Cake.
A cake? What kind of cake?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
One's gonna be my birthday, one's gonna be for today. Yeah, right, Mom?
Yeah. Okay.
So, I put the sugar in.
It's not sugar, it's
I put it in. I put it
in
in.
the bowl.
Oh. All of it?
Yeah, all of it.
I'm gonna smell it this
Wait a
way.
minute.
I'm smelling it.
You want to smell it? What does it smell like? So good?
I'm so disappointed.
Okay, now quit. Don't put your finger in it.
Why?
Okay.
So guys, we're making cake today. So it'll be so much fun. Right, Mom?
Yep. Okay, go pour it in.
Yeah.
Now put the oil in.
Wow.
Good job.
I
All right.
love strawberry.
I know strawberry cake's good, isn't it?
Yeah, we did try that before, right?
Yeah, we have.
When?
It's been a while since we fixed one. Okay, let me get some water.
Hi, I'm not being bad. I'm silly. I put it in.
Yeah, hang on. Let me get it over there.
Mix the cake up with the stroller, with the mixer in. Pour the water in.
There.
Let's do the rest.
You want me to do it? You can do it.
We did it.
Pour it in there.
Wow.
Okay,
Water.
Sit it right here.
What? More
You ready to
water.
crack some eggs?
I do one.
Here, don't get the shell in there. No, here, put it right here.
No, do it. I don't want to crack it.
Okay.
So the last time I got the L cell in there.
Oh, it's okay. It
That's
happens
so-
to me too sometimes. See? I'm about to get one in there now. Oh, I didn't. Caught it.
Caught it.
Caught it just in time. Hang on, let me put these in the box.
I put them in the box and good, right?
Yeah.
Mom, I don't want to crack it. Eggs. You know why?
Why?
I don't want to wash my hand. That's why. I don't want to.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trying to mix it
Rinse
up.
my hands off.
That's nasty water.
It's okay. All right. Let me plug it up for you. Hang on.
I was.
Wait a minute.
Mom, I put it in.
Yeah, you turn it
I'm
on.
gonna do it. Put it on one.
No, turn it up.
And on
Go ahead, I'll tell you when
on
to stop.
2.
1 and 2. There you go. No, don't do that.
And pretend it's about to blow up.
Stop right.
Mama, that makes it easier to mix too. See, Mom, look, these are all brown.
Now quit.
I'm doing. It's taking, and Mom, it's tasting good.
Okay,
That's all we're doing. Emma, that's all we're going to do.
Is it going to be delicious?
Okay.
No.
Mama, there's strawberry in it.
We don't have any strawberries.
But there's some icing.
Yeah, we got icing. We'll put icing on later.
There's no icing.
After it cools off and we're just baking. Don't do that.
Mom, that makes it easier
Now,
to make
hang on.
too.
Let's turn it down a bit so I can get it. Get my
Don't make
spatula.
me fall off.
I'm not going to make you fall off. Here.
No, let me do it.
That's some of the egg. Here, let me get that out there so I can mix up like it's supposed to.
Mom, let me do that one. Let me do it. How to do this? I'm gonna do this one. Ew, I love the egg.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna mix it some more. I'll make sure I do it right.
Okay, let's get that out there.
Yeah. Let's get out there.
Hang on. Don't do that, Reagan.
How
Not
was
supposed to
it?
lift up on it. Leave it alone.
How was it did it?
Turn it back on.
I'm gonna make it fast, okay?
No. Right there's good.
So fast. I just want to make it one. Mom, I just want to make on that too, okay? So I'm gonna make it a little bit fast and make it a little easier, right? So I don't have to do that. And look how crazy he's going. It's trucking his butt.
Check it.
Wait,
Break
I'm
it.
gonna check it.
Now
I'm
go
gonna
ahead,
check
check
it.
at the sides here. We gotta make sure it's good and mixed in.
Let me this one.
No.
Mom.
No, that's the egg right there, Reagan.
Mom. Let me mix and let me do the rest.
Quit.
Let me mean.
No, I'm not.
I
Reagan, go.
want to help too. Why is it not wet?
Turn on.
I put it on that too again.
That's 3. See, number 3. See the number? 3. That's 4.
4 is 3.
Yeah.
4 is 4. Mom, spell it. No.
It's like strawberries, don't it?
Yeah, I love strawberries. Because when you put this, it goes down. Right? We need that. Mix it in. And mix it in. And rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Mom, everybody can see me in my green shirt, right?
Yeah, I can see your shirt. All right.
You
Think
can
we're
see
done.
me when I pack my hand. I do it now.
Now, hang
Let me
on.
do it.
Reagan, I'm trying to see if it's mixed in there good at the
I
bottom.
want to see too. I want to check too. I see it.
All right. Here. All right, get down. Let mommy finish this. Get it in the oven.
No, I'm in the oven
Tell
too.
everybody bye.